Okay, so I am about to wash this soap off my face and apply my daily products. Before I apply my niacinamide, I apply my face dry. Always wipe my eyebrows. I wipe them into shape, y'all. Like low key, wipe them into shape. Okay. I try to put like little dots where I want it, and then I just so normally here I would use my cream, but because I used it last night, I don't want to overkill my skin. Okay, and I'm gonna let this dry. I'll be back. And that's it. So after washing, I apply the niacinamide, and then I apply the hyaluronic acid with my moisturizer. I mix them together, and if I'm going outside, apply the Black Girl Magic sunscreen.